Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Roslan from DKM1E. My matrix number is 24 DKM21 F1126.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Lokman bin Fazil. My number is 24 DKM12 F1012.
Hi, my name is Teresa Luciga. My matrix number is 24 DKM21 F1174. My name is Anwar Kubur Abdurrahman and my matrix number is 24 DKM21 F1191.
Today we want to present our mini project about hydraulic excavator JCB. We want to present this mini project to our lecturer, Madam Izzati. I hope Madam Izzati enjoy with this video. Hydraulic excavator JCB. Our project description is: this project is designed a JCB model based on the principle of hydraulic system. In this project, JCB model is hydraulically operated and controlled by the movement field with some fluid. It consists of various parts connect to each other in a pre-designed manner which are guided in a constrained way to obtain required output. The principle of the working of the hydraulic JCB is Pascal law. Material and cost. Material and cost we use is plain wood, shrimp. The quantity is 2, rubber the quantity is 2, saline tube the quantity is 2, water and screw. The material and cost total is 18 ringgit and 40 cent.
The objective of this project is the use of hydraulic JCB is a benefit it provides by training and ergonomically working environment and eliminate a large number of injuries caused by workers due to repeated pressure. And this picture is shown our project hydraulic JCB. The result and discussion. The project is effective by demonstrating the presence of hydraulic pressure. The hydraulic JCB describes and shows the working system of an hydraulic system of Pascal's law of pressure.
Next, the impact. The hydraulic JCB has completely reduced or even eliminate the large amount of injury caused to workers due to repetitive stress. This machine is designed to disrupt purpose. It can be move mount from one place to another. This project can be medium complexity about hydraulic system. We can get knowledge about function of hydraulic machine. So, lastly, we want to show this demonstration. Let's enjoy the video, okay?
Okay, this is our hydraulic project we built. So we have success done do hydraulic project. So hydraulic project is we do a success.